Here, here I am, downtown Red Deer. They say it's the fourth most dangerous place in the world. And I'm outside the window, and we are under attack. Ow! Shot by a Nerf dart. Live on the rabbithole.ca. At least we're having fun. It's nice to be a kid sometimes, you know? Today's been a good day. And just living in the moment. Actually, we've got a couple guys in the studio laying down a track. Having fun. And obviously, clearly very in the green fog. Yeah. Life's a lot of fun when you let it. Speaking of which, let it out on, it's out on YouTube now at DJ Jesse Hudson, and so is this thing of ours. One love and plur. Talk to you.